Daddy and Jack talking to each other.
Kind of. Ah. Ah. Yeah.
Talk back, Jack.
Come on, Jack.
Are you camera shy now?
Ah.
Are you gonna be camera shy?
Ah. Ah.
You had a lot to say a second ago.
Right? Ah.
Oh,
Ah.
good catch. Well, this wasn't a good example.
Ah.
There we go. Tell it.
Ah.
Tell him.
Ah. 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 Yeah. 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 We knew. Huh. Smile. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah. Oh. Keep telling. How was your day? A good day? Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, was it a good day? Jack? Jack, was it a good day? Jack?
You finished with your story, Jack?
Just keep going with your story. That was a good story. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Then you ate your hand. And? 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 What else? Well, okay.
Really?
Well,
What else?
now, that's how you do it.
What else?
What else did you do? You don't know how to brush your teeth yet. What? What? Yeah? I know. Well? Yeah. All you gotta do is tell me. Just say it. Yeah. Yeah, just say it. Just say it. Big smile.
Are you doing a cheeser?
Just say it, Cheezer. Yeah. Say it, Cheezer. Cheese. Cheese. Cheezer. Yeah. Cheezer.
What's a guy to do after that? Well,
Jesus.
let me tell you what he does. He goes access Hollywood, the Tonight Show, David Frasier.
Yeah.
What's it like to be
Jesus.
It's
Jesus.
pretty incredible just to be a world champion.
What?
Be a part of the team that was like that at a time where nobody said that we could accomplish much. And it's pretty awesome.
Jesus. What are you doing? This is me. I'm the cheeser.
Say goodnight, Jack.
Good night, Jack. Say it. Say good night.
Say goodnight. Can I get a goodnight smile?
Good night.
Jack.
Good night.
Hi, baby. Say goodnight.
Good night. Give what you want. Cheeser.
Not one smile for Mama.
Cheeser.
Hi.
Come on, cheeser.
Hi, Jack.
Boop. Cheese.
Oh, you're floppy today.
Boop. Come on, cheese.
There, almost. Let me see your dimples. Let me see them.
Come on. Give Mama a smile.
Let me know your
Give
smile.
me a smile. Cheeser. I'll drool.
Oh, fine. Good night, Jack. Say
Night.
good night.
Just like his teammates.